Welcome back, I'm Hydrolysis is Fun, and today we're going to be looking at which chemical is the spookiest. So without further ado, let's try liquid oxygen. Now, liquid oxygen is an extremely powerful oxidizer. It can cause a lot of organic matter to explode randomly sometimes. It has the sky blue frothing appearance that strikes fear into the heart of most chemists. But because it's not as scary as a lot of people think it is, and way more scary than a lot of people think it is, I'm going to give it an A tier. Now we have singlet oxygen, which is an absolutely terrifying spin state of regular oxygen. It glows red, decays into regular oxygen, and is even better of an oxidizer than regular oxygen. It reacts with water to form hydrogen peroxide, which is also a very strong oxidizer, and it rips your body to shreds on a molecular level. Nice. I'm going to give it an S tier ranking. So now we have manganese heptoxide, which is a pretty scary chemical, although when it's commonly encountered in solution in sulfuric acid, it's not that scary. Like, it makes a column of fire, yes, but it doesn't violently detonate. So for that reason, I'm going to give it a B tier. So piranha solution is a very scary oxidizer, which is an adduct of hydrogen peroxide and sulfur trioxide. It's most commonly encountered in a more dilute form, but even then, it's pretty scary. The anhydrous version is absolutely terrifying. It's a very strong oxidizer, and I might as well give it as the same ranking as liquid oxygen. So much like oxygen, ozone is a spooky oxidizer, but it also helps protect us from high-energy particles from the sun. So I want to rank it highly, but not too highly. I'm going to give it a B tier just because the reactions it caused feel comparable to manganese heptoxide. So these fellows are pyrophoric, heavily alkaline, and strong reducing agents, and that seems good enough to get it up to at least a B tier. So cesium is pyrophoric, it's a strong reducing agent, and it reacts with water, forming a base, but as it turns out, it's actually the strongest reducing agent ever, but it doesn't detonate randomly, so I'm going to give it an A tier ranking. Okay, so all of the oxygen fluorides are scary. I'm going to give them all S tier. I think you know why. Except I have a special spot reserved for Foof. I'm going to give it a Nope tier.
No. Wait. Wait.
I don't think I even have to discuss why I'm going to put this in an S tier. So, lithium tert-butyl, strong reducing agent, pyrophoric immediately, and reacts with water forming a strong base, and an explosive gas. So, pretty crazy. I am going to give it an S tier. I'm just going to remove the lithium aluminum tritert-butoxyhydride because it's stupid, it's long, and it's basically the same as lithium tert-butyl. So hydrogen sulfide is decently spooky given how toxic it is and flammable it is, but it usually makes its presence known by a terrible smell that eventually disappears because your nose stops working. So for that reason, I'm going to give it a B tier. Hydrogen chloride is a B tier because it's pretty useful when in solution and it's not actually that toxic. I'm going to give sulfuric acid a D tier because it's not a gas and it can't spread as easily. So this fellow right here is a strong oxidizer and strong acid, but not nearly as scary as people think, so I'm going to give it a B tier. So I'm going to give this a C tier because you can't make reasonable amounts of it very easily, and it's not as scary as people think. So I'm going to remove a few, and then I'm going to wrap things up quickly because I don't have a lot of time left, but I will give you my reasoning. Polonium is a Nope tier because it's so unbelievably radioactive. Fluorine is an S tier because it's such a powerful oxidizer and it can burn things that are already burnt sometimes. Hydrogen fluoride is scary, decently scary, so I'm going to give it an B tier. Chlorine is kind of scary, but not really because a lot of chemists know how to deal with it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.